Hello there, welcome to episode 79 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about vibrato, specifically finger vibrato. Oops, sorry about that. Finger vibrato on the acoustic guitar, of course. And this applies to whether you're playing, or electric for that matter, whether you're playing fingerstyle or pick style. In either case, adding a bit of vibrato really helps the melody stand out. And this is also true even if you're playing nylon string, like I am, which has very little sustain. Still, a little vibrato can add so much to a melody. I wanted to show you a little bit with the Beatles' Nowhere Man, just as a melody, where I'll be providing some bass notes and then showing the melody with a little bit of vibrato. When I'm talking about vibrato, if you haven't done this before, it's basically just a way of adding motion to the string, adding motion to the note. And by motion, I mean you're actually raising and lowering the pitch just a little bit by moving the string from side to side. What I often do, I'm on the 9th fret of the G string, playing an E note. What I'm doing is I'm just picking the string there and I'm sort of rocking with the bone of my first finger, my index finger there. Sort of rocking it. If I do it really exaggerated, I'm pulling it left and right like that. But just like that. Just a little bit. There's the note without vibrato, and here's a note with vibrato. Again, without and with. You can also do it with, all kinds of different ways, and I would encourage you to experiment with different kinds of vibrato. This one is also good with two fingers. You have a bit more strength with two fingers. It's a little easier to move back and forth. Again, there's without and there's with vibrato. Okay. Again, there's a lot of different kinds of vibrato, but this one I'm just talking about this, where you're just rocking your fingers back and forth just a little bit. And it actually adds to sustain also. Like there's my note without, hear it die away. And then with vibrato, you hear it it's a bit more present, it lasts just a little bit longer. So I wanted to show you Nowhere Man by the Beatles, just with vibrato and without. So the basic melody is that's without any vibrato at all, but if I play it with some vibrato, for each of those notes, even though I played it in some different ways, you can hear the melody with the vibrato and how it pops out just a little bit more. And that works even if you're supporting with full chords, like this. Like that. Just adding a bit of vibrato really stands out. And if you're playing as a solo person, maybe doing a melody, the melody while someone else covers chords, then you can make it pop out even more. So like, let's compare it with no vibrato. To me, having no vibrato at all on a melody makes it a little lifeless to me. And even if it's just a slight bit of vibrato, just a slight bit, really adds a lot, I think. So I would encourage you to try it both as a solo melody and also when you have a bit of a bass line underneath. Just give just a little bit of motion, and again, just a little bit makes the note just pop out a little bit. So hope this is useful to you. I'll be talking a lot more about vibrato in lessons to come, but hope this is a nice sort of introduction. As always, thanks for watching.